how much should you actually spend on a microcurrent machine for home use? Some folks rave about the budget options, while others swear by pricier ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Oenus Hydrating Gel. Let's kick things off with the Oenus Hydrating Microcurrent Conductive Gel. Priced at just $7.99, it's a steal for what it offers. If you want a product that hydrates and preps your skin for microcurrent treatments, this is worth a serious look. This gel is suitable for all skin types and is packed with hyaluronic acid, which means it's great for hydration. The fragrance-free and paraben-free formula helps reduce the risk of irritation, which is huge if you have sensitive skin. The gel's ideal viscosity ensures that your device glides smoothly, which enhances the overall treatment experience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Using a proper conductive gel can make your microcurrent sessions more effective, leading to better skin results over time. With over 3,000 units sold recently, it's clearly popular among users. Now, some people complained about the packaging being a bit tricky to use. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's really not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and effective gel for microcurrent treatments. Skip this one if you're sensitive to textures, as some users found it a bit tacky. For under $8, it's a great value for your skincare routine. Now, if the gel's packaging issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Oenus RF Gel. The Oenus Radiofrequency Gel, retailing at $7.64. This one caught my eye because it's designed specifically for use with RF facial machines and microcurrent devices. If you want something that enhances your treatment results, this is definitely worth considering. Just like the previous gel, this one hydrates and protects the skin, but it also prepares your skin for RF treatments. This means it helps energy transfer, improving the effectiveness of your microcurrent sessions. The soothing properties of the hyaluronic acid are a big plus, especially if you're looking to combat dryness. Plus, this gel has a smooth consistency that promotes effortless application. No one likes a sticky mess. Here's why this matters for you. When your skin is properly prepared, you're more likely to see those desired results from your treatments. It's another popular choice with over 800 units sold recently. However, some users mentioned it doesn't provide enough moisture for dry skin types. But honestly, for regular users, the performance outweighs this minor flaw. This is perfect for you if you're serious about enhancing your RF treatments. Skip this one if you have very dry skin, as it may not provide the level of hydration you need. For under $8, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for more comprehensive skincare needs. Product number 3, Inia Red Light Device, White. The Inia 3-in-1 Red Light Therapy Device, priced at $84.98. I was intrigued by its versatility. If you're looking for a multifunctional skincare device, this one is definitely worth your attention. This device offers 3 modes: lift, tighten, and infuse. The lift mode boosts vitality in dull skin with a gentle massage, while tighten helps improve skin firmness by reducing the appearance of fine lines. Infuse enhances product absorption, which means your skincare really gets to work. This is crucial because, let's be honest, if your products can't penetrate effectively, you're not getting the full benefit. With over 700 units sold, it's clearly making an impact in the skincare community. Now, some users found the instruction manual to be a bit lacking. Here's the thing though, once you figure out how to operate it, the results can be quite impressive. This is perfect for you if you want a one-stop solution for various skin concerns. Skip this if you prefer a simpler device, as it might feel overwhelming at first. For the price, it's a great investment in your beauty routine. Now, if you liked the multifunctionality but want something a bit different, let's check out another Inia model. Product number 4, Inia Red Light Device Black. Here's another contender from Inia, the 3-in-1 Red Light Therapy Device in black, also for $84.98. This might just be the sleek design you're after. If you want a stylish yet effective skincare tool, this is definitely worth a look. Like its white counterpart, this device offers the same 3 modes: left, tighten, and infuse. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver, ensuring you don't miss spots while treating your skin. The fact that it includes a complimentary hydrating gel only adds to its appeal. Here's why this matters. The combination of features not only targets multiple skin needs, but also feels luxurious while you use it. With 400+ units sold recently, it's clear that many are drawn to its design and functionality. Some users mentioned that the battery life could be better, but honestly, for occasional use, I found it adequate for my needs. This is perfect for you if you appreciate aesthetics and function in your skincare routine. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, as it's on the higher end. Given its features, it's a solid value. Now, if you're looking for something that focuses even more on skin elasticity, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 5, Anya Skin Tightening Device. We have the Anya Skin Tightening Device, another great option at $84.98. This one's all about enhancing skin firmness and elasticity. If you want a targeted treatment for sagging skin, this is worth your time. With its lift, tighten, and infuse modes, this device is engineered to help achieve a more youthful appearance. The vibrational massage and red light therapy work together to give your skin a boost. What's interesting is its ergonomic design that adapts to your facial contours, ensuring you get comprehensive coverage. Here's why this matters. If your device isn't conforming to your face, you might miss critical areas, leading to uneven results. With 400 plus sold recently, it's gaining traction for good reason. Now, some people found it a bit heavy for prolonged use, but honestly, I think the results are worth it, and you can always take breaks while using it. This is perfect for you if sagging skin is a concern and you want a professional-grade device at home. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight option, as you might find it cumbersome. At the $85 price point, it offers good performance for your investment. So, in summary, we've covered the Oneus Hydrating Gel and RF Gel, both great budget-friendly options. Then we looked at two Inea 3-in-1 devices with versatility and design, ultimately concluding with the Inea Skin Tightening Device, focusing on elasticity. Each serves a purpose depending on your skincare goals. Choose wisely and take care of your skin.